Hello guys, if your Samsung Galaxy phone won't turn on even after pressing on the power button for so long, it does not show the Samsung logo or any sign of life, and even when you try to connect your charging cable to the Samsung device, it still does not turn on or even show the charging indicator. You're just faced with a black screen. Then in this video, I'm going to give you a couple of solutions that will definitely help you fix this problem. Now over here, I am using a Samsung Galaxy A07. So basically this happens in both older versions and newer versions of Samsung phones. And majority of the time, this problem is as a result of bad charging cable or charging brick that is used for charging your Samsung phone. So the first step you actually want to try is to simply just change your charging cable. So you can go ahead and get another charging cable with another charging brick and then just try to plug it on your Samsung phone and see if it actually turns on or powers on your Samsung phone. If it does not work on your Samsung phone, you can as well go ahead and try this same charger or charging brick on another phone and see if the problem is actually from your charging cable or your charging brick. So to test this out, I actually have another phone over here from Redmi, and if I actually connect this cable, you can see that it actually charges this particular phone. As you can see from the top, it actually charges this phone, but it does not work on my Samsung phone. Also, this other cable I just removed should also be able to charge this one. Just like so, you can see it is charging. But once I go ahead to remove the cable and then plug it on my Samsung phone, it actually does not work. So now we've been able to confirm that the problem is not from our cable. Now at this point, what you want to do is to just go ahead and plug the cable to your Samsung phone and then just leave it for about 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, you want to come back to your Samsung Galaxy phone and then you want to try a couple of things. Basically, we are going to try to soft reset the Samsung phone, and this is not going to delete anything on your phone or wipe out any data. And the way you do that is to first of all unplug the power cable from your Samsung phone. So just unplug the power cable and then you just want to go ahead and long press on the power button and the volume down button for about 15 seconds. So just press and hold for about 15 seconds, and within the 15 seconds, if you notice the Samsung logo pops up, you can go ahead and just release both buttons. But if you do not see the Samsung logo, you want to just hold on it for that 15 seconds, and after the 15 seconds you want to move over to the volume up button. So long press on the power button and the volume up button for another 15 seconds until you see the Samsung logo. If you do not see the Samsung logo, just continuously press for that 15 seconds. Now if that does not work out for you, another thing you want to try to do is to go ahead and get your cable, and then you just want to go ahead and plug it on your Samsung phone just like so. At this point, you want to repeat the same process again. So just long press on the power button and the volume down button. Just long press until you see the Samsung logo. If you do not see the Samsung logo, you can do the same thing with the volume up button as well. Okay, so my own just showed the Samsung logo now, so I'll release both buttons. If it does not work out for you, you can try to long press on the power button and the volume up button and see if that will work out for you. Trust me, this will definitely fix the problem where your Samsung phone would turn on or won't charge and you're just faced with a black screen. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.